What if it's just nature, taking back control, questioning the actions of every living soul? What if it's just nature asking us to stop, to think about our planet and treasure what we've got? What if it's just nature slowing us right down? Time to look around us and see what can be found. What if it's just nature asking us to think, what is it that we really need? Love, health, and food and drink. What if it's just nature giving us the time to be more understanding, generous, and kind? What if it's just nature asking us to care, to think about each other and sometimes just to be there? What if it's just nature sending us the pain? Time to reevaluate before we're all insane. What if it's just nature setting us a test to try to save our planet? Let's do our very best.